This is Tara from Billy and Tara's Live Free or Die channel, and this is about programming your smart garage door opener to so that you can get Amazon packages and not have to worry about your packages being left outside. So it won't let me show you and video at the same time, but I use my app to hit garage open. The garage opener is over there, so I did it through my app. And then I'm going to stay here and close it. So what you'd want to do to program it is hit menu. Well, let me exit the menu. Hit menu, then go down to program. Next, MYQ Wi-Fi opener. Next, Wi-Fi setup started. Next, and then you're going to pick that device if you have it, which is a LiveMaster. Whichever one applies. On the screen it'll show you what it looks like. If you have this and that up on the ceiling, you want to pick the ceiling one. And then you program it. And then you assign a 4-digit PIN. And then when you go on Amazon, you can check for them to deliver it in the garage. So I hope that helps someone today, as it sure will help us in the future. It's a lot easier just to do that than it is leaving packages outside and everything else. But anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you hit like and subscribe. And hi, bye. Live free or die.